vlog of What's Up Ravina. Today I am in Edinburgh, Scotland, and behind me is Holyrood Castle. In this Holyrood Castle, you can buy tickets for £25 per adult, or you can skip it and do the Royal Mile walk till the palace, which is what we are doing today. And I will take you along to the beautiful walk of Edinburgh, Scotland, covering everything from Holyrood to the palace. So without wasting any time, let's walk with Ravina. The iconic Holyrood Palace. This is the official residence of British monarch here in Scotland and literally feels like stepping into history. And this here, my friends, is the unicorn of Scotland. Now from Holyrood Castle, we will be walking towards Edinburgh Castle, which is the straight road, which is called Royal Mile. So let's go. The Royal Mile isn't just one street, it's actually a collection of streets, each with its own story. And this is, in total 1.8 kilometers long. This walk is so beautiful, cobblestones, medieval buildings, and bagpipes. Guys, change in plans. We are going to Edinburgh Christmas market to do big wheels because Asher wants big wheels. Edinburgh Christmas celebrations are some of the largest in the UK, attracting visitors from all over Europe. From festive stalls to mulled wines and sweet treats, it's impossible not to feel the holiday spirit here. We are now headed to Big Wheel. This giant wheel gives you one of the best views of the city, and I can't wait to show you guys.
How?
Say automatically.
Are you conscious? Hello. And here we go now.
And welcome aboard the LNER Big Wheel at Edinburgh's Christmas. We're about to depart. So please take a seat and for safety, remain seated around your ride. It's time to relax and enjoy the fantastic views of our city, taking in Edinburgh Castle, Scott Monument and the majestic Arthur's Seat. If you snap any great pics of your day, remember to post them with the hashtag LNER Big Wheel, so we can all have a wheel. With so many things to see and do at Edinburgh's Christmas, we guarantee you'll be filled with festive cheer and jingle all the way to your Christmas day. Here at Easter.
Behind me is the Scott Monument. You cannot see it clearer, guys. This is amazing view from the Big Wheel, and thanks Asher for bringing us to the Big Wheel. Thank you, little one. So guys, for Big Wheel, 3 of us paid 33 point some pounds and it was £12 per person. Asher got a discount of 20%. You can really see how compact and dramatic Edinburgh is. Old rooftops, castle views and winter skies all around. Amazing, and best thing is the views we got from the Big Wheel, definitely worth the money.
And now Asher is looking for another slide, another ride he has identified. Anyways.
What? We can go together or not together? Okay. No, you guys enjoy. I don't want to go. Where will I see you guys? Oh, okay. God, I missed it, guys. How was it? And guys, tell you what, this Christmas market has amazing collection of food as well. Today we are trying mini pancakes with chocolate. One thing is for sure, if you are here in Edinburgh at Christmas time, you won't be bored. There's so much, like the Christmas market itself is very vast. From east to west, it's literally widespread with so much to do. It's not just about shopping here, the rides make it feel like a winter wonderland of London, maybe. From the giant wheel to fun rides and the games.
Asher, look up.
After an amazing Christmas market in Edinburgh, we are now stopping for lunch here at Gurkha, which is Napoli's and Italian. Warm, comforting food was exactly what we needed after this cold walk. Very tasty food. हमने खाई थी दाल मखनी and roti. Very yum. Hello.
Hello.
What's this guy saying? Hello, mister. Hello, Asher.
Huh?
Such a beautiful walk and also sunny. It's not very cold. Behind me is the Royal Mile High Street. Let's go. Guys, if you are in Edinburgh, you have to stop at the Milkman Cafe. This tiny cafe is one of the Edinburgh's most loved spots, and you can see why. I mean, great coffee, cozy vibes, and a perfect little break from the busy streets. No Edinburgh trip can be complete without a bit of shopping. Scarves, tartan patterns, and classic Scottish souvenirs everywhere. Even if you are not buying, just browsing these little shops is a part of an experience. We're trying this Scottish muffler. This is £20 for one and 30 for two. Is it warm?
Can you see?
We did end up buying some scarves from here. This is for like baby girls, so cute dresses. These tiny shops will surely uplift your mood like they did ours. So much colorful and interesting stuff to see. And Asher is having his own time enjoying in the corner. हाँ ये अच्छी लग रही है. कितने की है ये? How much is this? 40. When behind me is a cathedral.
St. Giles Cathedral.
St. Giles Cathedral.
And I'm behind you.
And he is behind me. You know, Edinburgh Christmas light displays are designed to complement the historic architecture and not overpower it, which is why they feel so elegant. And in the final stretch, just about to reach Edinburgh Castle, and it's gone windy and cold.
How are you guys today? We are finally going to Victorian Street, which is the most photographed street of Edinburgh. Let's go! Victoria Street is hands down one of the prettiest streets in Edinburgh. Colorful buildings, curved streets, it almost feel unreal. Well, if you are a Harry Potter fan, you might recognize this spot. Things to do in Scotland.
Just eat it. What?
After enjoying a cozy Indian dinner, we are calling it a night. If you enjoyed Edinburgh Christmas Market vlog, do like, subscribe and share this video, and please tell me your favorite spot here in Scotland.